Get your car back on the road smoothly after an incident by understanding how to secure an accurate repair estimate with Allstate. Your first step is to initiate a claim if you've been in an accident. The quickest way to begin is often through the Allstate website or their mobile app. Look for the File a Claim or similar option. You'll be guided through a user-friendly online form. Be prepared to provide details about the incident, including the date, time, location, and a description of the damage. It's helpful to have your policy number handy. The Allstate app offers the same streamlined claim filing process. You can often upload photos of the damage directly from your phone, which can expedite the assessment. Next, you'll need a repair estimate. Allstate partners with a network of approved auto repair shops. The easiest way to find one near you is to use the Allstate website or app's locator tool. These approved shops have a relationship with Allstate and understand their processes, aiming for fair and accurate assessments. When you visit, mention that you have an Allstate claim. The shop will then conduct a thorough inspection, your vehicle's collision damage, and create a detailed repair estimate. This document outlines the parts needed, labor costs, and the overall repair plan. Allstate may also send out a claims adjuster to inspect the damage and confirm the estimate provided by the repair shop. This ensures consistency and fairness in the assessment. Once the estimate is reviewed and approved by Allstate, the repair work can begin at the chosen shop. This entire process is designed to simplify the repair of collision damage and get you back behind the wheel with confidence.